Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're gonna look at self-quest app which is going viral last few days. So this is kind of like a fitness tracker but gamified. So you know, if you're going to gym or doing some exercises on your own, this is really a cool app just to try out because it adds element of gamification. And it makes your fitness workouts less boring and more entertaining, especially if you wanted to track those and just add some gaming element. So epic quest, track your core exercises with engaging main quests. Character progression, level up your character as you earn XP. Dungeons, use your leveled up character to defeat enemies into thrilling types of dungeons. Test your strengths and strategy. Leaderboard, add friends via friend ID and compare your progress on the leaderboard. Use the gold and earn it to buy items. And transform your daily hype habits into an adventure and stay motivated on your fitness journey. Download now and start leveling up your life. So let's just take a look. So here is the app and here's how it looks like. So this is your main avatar. As you can see, of course, you need to create an account, but this is your avatar and it looks like, some old school game. And then you have all these like game elements, like you have different skins which you can equip. But I guess, to start using this app in fully, you need to do a few exercises first and start getting some points. So basically in the second tab from your profile to the right, there is a quest tab. So this is basically your main tab where you see your main goals. And this is your exercise goals. For example, there is like a main quest, which just has like you can see on the left, push-ups, sit-ups, squats, and run. And basically you need to complete those. You just tap on the plus icon and then you can complete it. And then you just tap, all right, I just want to complete this. And then you of course, you're doing this in real life. But then you can see, all right, I'm getting some rewards, I'm getting some gold coins, I'm getting some experience gain, similar as I would do in some video game. And then as you can see, all right, so, and then I just want to complete other goals. So I did push-ups, sit-ups, squats, and run. So for example, this is your main quest and you need to do it every day in this app. And then you just tracking it here. And then, then you just complete it. So this is the first step on the app. If you do not complete the 4 quest goals, you will face penalties. Also, it's like time limited, so you need to do it at least once per day. And then you just did it. So for that, you are getting some XPs and points, gold, whatever. You just growing your game character. Also, there are some additional side quests, which you can see from here, which you can see how they're looking like. So there are some side quests like drink 1 liter of water, cycle, and then you can just refresh them and just update and have them updated like this. So these are the ones. And then to the right, there is a custom quest where you can just add a custom quest or add a timer. Just add the different title and start a timer. So then you can just use that. That's how you do it. That's the main part of the app, obviously, that you need to do like real fitness exercises in real life, but then you're just tracking and submitting data into the app. And this way you kind of growing your character, you gain an XP, then you can just equip more skins, you growing your level, your HP grows, MP, I don't know what that is, like your damage level grows, your power level, class also is growing. So, you're growing your character. And then also you have your leaderboard. That's like you can also invite your friends to this app. So here's your ID here in the top left. That's how you can enter your friend's ID or ask them for their ID. And then there is like a lobby tab in the bottom where you can just fight with different characters. And the more powerful your character becomes, the more fights you kind of discover. But how the fight works here. So basically you are just fighting this kind of monster. And then you just doing attack in the bottom, either with sit-ups or with like, so for example, you just do this and it says here exercise sit-ups, repetitions 5, damage 15. So I just tap on it, and then there is a timer. And during this timer, I need basically to finish these 5 sit-ups. So that's the idea, how I need to finish these sit-ups. And then, so you're doing them in real life, but it looks like some kind of video game. And then I just complete exercise. And then for some reason, all right, then seems that if you were doing them for too long or something like that, then you're just defeated. So because I was doing, like, for example, 5 sit-ups for more than like 25 seconds, then this enemy kind of defeated. So then I just need to try again in 4 minutes. So reset cooldown. Here you can also do that. So yeah, it's kind of funny, it's just a bit less boring than you would do like a normal fitness tracking app where you just have like a time tracker. So there's that, and then there is like a shop in the bottom right tab where, you can just see that. And then you can just get some like keys and gold just by watching ads. You can also buy like 50 keys for $3. So you can also just do that. And then also you can unlock with these keys, you can unlock some boxes. You can see some description, and then you can see, all right, there is not enough gold or keys for that. And then there are different types of boxes which you can unlock here, and then you can just get those. You can see a number of your gold in the top right, and then that's the idea. So either you buy these keys or you just watching an ad for this gold, and then you kind of leveling up, and then you're just getting some additional items, and that's the idea. So as you can see, that's where you have, and again, the cool thing about this that you have like leaderboard ranking with your friends, and then you can just add friend here and see who is ranking higher. So that's the idea, that like this app has all elements of really nice time spent with your friends, especially if your friends are gaming nerds who don't really like to exercise. So you can just put them on more exercising with this app. And then in top left you have some additional settings. You can connect your health, Apple Health. You can see your achievements. You can see all this, like depending on exercises you did. You can also reset tutorial, so then you have more tutorial and more tips. Then there are additional settings. You can delete your account from here, so that's what you can do. And then there is support. So that's the app. Try it out. It's not available on Android at the moment. It's I think it's only on iOS, so give it a try. Take a look at this app. Pretty cool idea. It's quite cheap, so try it out.